So this is an alternative activity for that first day, especially the skinny day. I hate standing up at the front of the class on the first day and going through their syllabus, and it's kind of boring for them and for me. So I was seeing boat stations, but then I didn't know if kids could move around. So I thought of doing this. This is called a Bitmoji classroom. You totally don't have to do that. But I just happened to do it. And these are all hyperlinks on here. But what I did was I went into Nearpod and I started a new lesson. My first thing that I did was web content, and I inserted the link for that slide. I changed it to view. This will take a minute. But what this is going to do is it's going to allow the kids to do basically a self-discovery of all the information that they need to do. And they can work together. They can, chit chat. I can help. So this is for my Algebra 2 class. So period 5 will click on the link. It'll take them into Google Classroom. Their Google Classroom is already set up. I've already added things in there. So they have a couple of assignments, the About Me. There's a word search. What type of learner are you? And then a course map and the syllabus. So the idea is students can click through all of this stuff and find the information instead of me giving it to them. Course map, I think I've talked about this before, but I do it. It's a Google Doc. It's a live doc. So I update it daily, weekly, whatever. But I share this with students, case managers, and parents. Actually, I send this out to Parent Square, but it gives the kids an idea of what we're doing, any keys. So I put my completed notes up there. If there's homework assignments and I want them to check it, then I would put the answer keys up there. The to-dos, so this is what's due for next class. And then the guiding questions are essential questions. And I ask students to bookmark it on their internet browser so it's there for quick access. So once students are in Google Classroom and they go through all of this stuff, there's another link for the course map if they didn't get it. Google Calendar, I want them to see that their assignments are already scheduled on there. And then I always remind them to make sure that they're checking their Gmail often. So slide 2 is a Nearpod quiz. So evidence of learning. We changed this as a math department this year. So instead of formative and summative, we said evidence of learning is all of the practice. Evidence of mastery is all of the summatives, culminating activities. So students would be able to answer this once they go through their syllabus and their course map. Wins Flex, again, that's on the syllabus. And just some questions to make sure that they really understood what was going on. So let's say I wanted to add another slide. Here are the different things that you could do. You can give them a video. You can have them do a simulation on something. Activities, pretty cool. They've got the open-ended. I did a quiz, but you can do a collaboration board. So for example, you want to say, what do you need of the teacher this year? Or how was your summer? Whatever. You can put a collaboration board up there, memory test, all that fun stuff. So what would happen is when I'm ready, I would generate a code for Nearpod and I would project it. And so students would be able to sign into this presentation and then they would have access to that Google slide with the links to Google Classroom, the course map, all of that stuff. But I just thought this was a fun and different activity to do for that first day.